I didn't see you there. If you, oh wait. Take two. I didn't see you there. If you are a guest on Fresh Living, you can follow me. You obviously see these bronze statues. Again, it's very fancy. Then you come here to the elevator, where we film downstairs. It's kind of like a dungeon sometimes, but we're very friendly, so it doesn't feel like that. So come on in. I'm gonna press this like this. B for basement. Everything's fine. Everything's good. Come on in. Now this doesn't look very welcoming, but we are very welcoming. It's kind of a little lackluster, but we make up for it in personality. To another hallway, but I promise you, we are the best show that you could be a guest on. We're gonna come in. This is where you will wait till you go on camera. Oh, Carrie!
Oh, well, hello. Welcome to our fish bowl. Only the best for our guests. We have fish with sea life on the wall for you. So come on this way. We're going to show you where the studio is. Come on down the hall and keep coming. This lovely painting here just for you, for your pleasure. And then Sarah's going to take you into the studio.
Yes.
Come on over. So this is our studio where all the magic happens. It's bigger than you would think. We have different sets and different corners. We have a lot of fun with it over here.